Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. So Ceramic click. Now tap on Theme and choose Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, you can click on one of those colors. Like pink, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those images. So now when I go back, maybe I will enable curve borders first because it looks good. When I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!